Hello, my name is Alex Bernstein, and I am a high school student currently wrapping up my senior year. As I come to the end of my high school experience, I want to reflect on one of my favorite classes, and that is Design and Research, and this year Exploratory Student Research at Rowan College of Burlington County. This is by far my favorite science class I've ever taken at the high school. It started out my junior year where I took a little-known class with Mr. Wilczewski at Morristown High School called Design and Research. And I was intrigued by the possibility of building your own mission and conducting your own research. I focused on COVID protocols during the pandemic, and I ended up having a lot of fun with it. I learned things I never learned before and was able to conduct my experiment in a way that was allowed me much versatility and lots of independence, and I enjoyed it so much. I had the opportunity to present to Dr. Camarda of the EPIC Education Foundation using his ICE methodology. And that was a great opportunity for me to be able to take my findings and present it to a real NASA scientist and engineer, and of course he had actually been to space, so that was a lot of fun. I had a lot of fun with that. So much so that I decided on my own to continue the class next year at my local community college, RCBC. I took Exploratory Student Research, again with Mr. Wilczewski, and this time I focused on road salt and the damages that it does to the environment and our infrastructure. I conducted a massive amount of research and experimentation over my senior year. I started out with these plants that we see here, and I tested different road salt solutions and alternatives to see how these plants would fare, going into the environmental concerns that come with road salt and road salt damage. I also conducted much research on damage to infrastructure because of road salt, and it opened my eyes and made me see the world in a different way. The opportunity to do my own research, my own experiments, and chart my own course with the guidance from Mr. Wilczewski using the ICE methodology was greatly beneficial to my experience as a high school student. I learned more than I think I ever would in an ordinary science class, and I would 100% recommend it to any student. There were so many opportunities for me to branch out from just the classroom with this course. I had the opportunity to present my findings to the town council and our own mayor and council members. It was an extraordinary experience for me, and it really helped me get real-world experience, like I said, that I would not get outside of the classroom. Again, I would 100% recommend it to any student who is thinking about taking this course. If you are somebody who likes to chart your own path and are self-driven, I absolutely recommend this course for you. The thing about this course is you get into it what you put out of it. If you put in the work, the research, the time, you will be greatly rewarded for your efforts. But that's the thing about it, is that it's so much fun to do, and it doesn't even feel like you're doing work, you're doing research. Not only are you doing research on your own, it's something that you're interested in, you can choose whatever you want, but you're in the classroom conducting experiments of your choosing, and it's fascinating. So in conclusion, I would definitely recommend taking Design and Research at the high school or Exploratory Student Research at your local college like RCBC. I would like to thank the EPIC Education Foundation and Dr. Camarda for introducing this to the classroom. It is greatly beneficial for all our students, and as many students as possible should take advantage of this opportunity. Thanks so much.